Hi, in front of me is Asus Zenfone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Start by opening settings and tapping on connected devices. From here you need to tap on pair new device and click on the switcher to turn on Bluetooth if it's not already on. Then wait for available devices to show up and when they do, tap on the one that you want to connect to and wait. Now you need to click on pair over here and wait for the second device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to forget this connection, just tap on this gear icon next to connected device and choose forget. Then tap on forget device over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!